price amount. Fine. Okay. Now the first transaction that we have got is, see here, on 1st January 2019, we have received 500 units in our warehouse at rupees 20 per unit. Simple. It is a receipt. Yeah, we have got that in our warehouse. We have to see from the point of view of warehouse, so it will come on the receipt side. We have got the quantity and price, and if we multiply that, we will get the cost, the amount. Simple. Just copy that down. On 1st January 2019, we have got 500 quantity at the price rupees 20 into 20, that is 10,000. 10,000 is the cost. Then what you have to do, you have to copy that down to the balance column. Yeah, balance mean what? Balance means you have 500 quantity right now in our warehouse. Yeah, so 500, 20, 10,000. Simple. You have to copy that exactly down. Yeah. Or if there is an opening stock that is given to you in the question, then you have to directly take that into the balance column. Yeah, you didn't receive that right now, it's just a balance. Yeah, whatever that was there from previously, if opening stock is given in your question. Yeah, but here they have said we have purchased, we have received 500 units. So first you have to take into the receipt column and then copy that down exactly in the balance column. Yeah, the first receipt will always be like this. Okay, fine. And then what you have to do, and then you have to go to the second transaction. On January 10, yeah, 10 January, what has happened? We have got another receipt. See here, we have received 300 units at rupees 24 per unit. Fine, it's very simple. So what you have to do, you have to write that down in the receipt column. On 10 January, we have got 300 quantity at the price 24. 300 into 24, that is equal to 7,200. Yeah, yes, simple. Yes. Now how will you copy this second receipt into the balance column? How will you do that? That is the main thing. Okay, most of the students, they make mistakes over there. If you make a small mistake, right, then your entire Fifo problem will be wrong. So that is why the balance column should be done proper carefully. Okay, so see, it's very simple. Whenever you get a receipt, right, let's say you are doing the Fifo calculation, this statement, yeah, this account, then immediately let's say you get a receipt. Yeah, so whenever you get a receipt, what you have to do is you have to draw a line in the balance column. Okay, you have to draw a line, and then whatever that was there in the balance column, you have to copy that exactly down. Okay, see here, I drew a line over here. Whatever that was there in the balance column, I took it below 520, 10,000, exactly same. Yeah, 520, 10,000. Yes, and then whatever receipt you have got, take that exactly below what you have copied just now. Yeah, first take this down after drawing the line, and then take this thing below that. Okay, this is what you have to follow. Simple. Let's move on, you will understand that. On January 15, what has happened? We have issued 700 units. We have sent out 700 units probably to the production department. Yeah, so how will you record this? This is going out of the warehouse, that is issues. So you will have to take that into issue column. Simple. See here. Now what do you have in the warehouse? In the warehouse you have two lots. One is 500 quantity lot of rupees 20 and the cost is 10,000, and another lot of 300. Yeah, this lot that was price rupees 24. Yeah, and the cost is 7,200. So now you have to send out 700. Yeah, as said in the question, 700 units. So how will you do that? You have to follow first in first out. Yeah, FIFO method. How will you do that? First you will take out 500 quantity at this 20. Yeah, you have to send out 700. Yes, but first you have to take this first lot. Yeah, first in first out. So first lot completely, and then you need additional 200 that will come from the second lot, from this 300 lot. Okay, so 200 at the price 24. So see here, that's the same. Then the second one, see here, 200 into 24, that is equal to 4,800. Yeah, simple. So this is what will go out of the warehouse. And then what will remain in the warehouse? What is the balance? How will you take the balance now? You have to draw a line. Okay, and now this 500 is no more, it has gone out of the warehouse. So nil, nil, nil. But here in the second lot, what has happened? In this second lot, in this 300 quantity, only 200 has gone out. So remaining you have to take it. 100 is remaining. If 200 has gone out of 300, 100 is remaining. Yes, the price will be same, 24. So 100 into 24, that is equal to 2,400. So 2,400 is the balance that is left in the warehouse. Till here you understood? It's very simple. And then what happened? See here, on January 20, you got a receipt. Now what I told you, whenever you get a receipt, go to the balance column. Yeah, go to the balance column. draw a line, draw a line, copy exactly whatever that is there in the balance column. 124 2400 is there in the balance column. Copy that exactly down, 124 2400. Okay, and then go back to that transaction. On January 20, received 400 units at rupees 28 per unit. Yeah, you have received in your godown, you have received in your warehouse 400 units at rupees 20.